Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to check if your iPhone 17, 17 Pro or the 17 Pro Max's display is original or not. Now first of all, just check if the Face ID on your iPhone is working or not. In most cases, when the display is not original, the Face ID will not work. The second method is to check if your iPhone's display's bezels are even all around or not. Most aftermarket and fake displays don't have even bezels, but the original display has even bezels all around. Now for the third method, just open Settings, then tap on General. From here, just tap on About. Now if your iPhone has been repaired, you will see a Parts and Service History section over here. If it says Genuine Apple Part in front of the Display section, then the screen of your iPhone is original. But if it says Unknown Part in front of the Display section, then the screen of your iPhone is not original. Now for the last method, just go to your home screen, then swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the Control Center. Then tap and hold on the brightness slider, and from here, just check if True Tone is working or not. In most cases, when the display is repaired on your iPhone, the True Tone feature will not work. And this is how you can check if your iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max's display is original or not. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.